Hi guys, how are you? Good. I hope you are good. Um, Today I want to continue our discussion about air valves. If you remember, I have one previous video about air valve in chapter 1, and if you don't see that video, I recommend to go there and see that video and then come to chapter 2. Okay, uh, we start for chapter 2. We want to discuss about air release valves, air vacuum valve, combination air valves. Three types of the air valves we will discuss, and I more explain about all of them in next image. Okay, first of all, air release valves. Air release valves, here you can see in this picture, any air release valves has some component, and here you can see body, inlet, float, seat, leakage, cover, orifice is very important, and outlet. This type of the air valve can automatically release the valve, but amount of the air by this valve, it will be very small. Releasing air, it will be very small, and this orifice size, it will be 1.6 mm to 25 mm. And this mechanisms, if you see this mechanism, one float is there, and this float connect to leakage, and whenever water come inside the body, and this float come up, and because of this linkage, this seal, this seat, it will be close the orifice, and then valve, it will be closed, and water cannot go outside. But during this fling water inside the body of this air valve, air, it can go outside from outlets. Another type of the air valve is air vacuum valves. We can say this application same as that application, but what is the difference between this type of the air valve and previous one? This type of air valve can release air, also can suck air from outside. This is one of the biggest difference between this and another one. And other thing, this type of the air valve, if you see here, orifice size is very big, and we can say from 30 mm to 500 mm, depend to size of the pipe which installed. And it can release air, large amount, large volumes of the air can release, and from outside outlet can exit, and also the huge amount of air can sucked from outside. This is the main things for this type of air valve. Another one is combination air valve. Combination air valve, if you see this name, you can understand easy, because they merge two type of previous type of the air valve in one valve. This type of valve can do duty of the both of previous type of the air valves. This is the main things, and this type of the air valve has a two type. One type is single body, another type is dual body. This is as per body design, but can do both of duty of the previous one. Sorry, air valve, and always in pipeline we use this type, but one thing is there, and you need to pay attention about this. This type of air valve is expensive, it's not cheap. That's why we need to check in line. Wherever we need to use this type of the air valve, we need check engineering manual standards, and then we can select which one is better. Before in chapter 1 I spoke about choose this type of the air valve as per standard and engineering manual. Is better you see my previous video about that, and then you can get more information about selection of this type of the air valve. Okay. I continue chapter 3 of air valve. We will discuss in this chapter about air valve, locating air valves along a pipeline, and more explanation about how to find the best location for this type of the valves. What is the purpose of the air valves? Before we discuss about this, for removing air pockets to prevent air binding, and it can assist in pipeline drainage, and it can use in transmission pipeline, also in network distribution networks. Both of them can use application in transmission, raw material to treatment plants, and also about where is the best location for installation this type of the air valve. Here you can see for this type of the valve we need to find where is the highest point of the our pipeline. All of this type of air valve will install in high points. Drainage, it will be low point, and air valve for releasing air and everything, it will be installed in high points. High points along the pipeline, I told you, and near pump station or downstream, and after sharp bends or elevation changes. All these points we need to use air valve. Here we have one example. You can see I put my picture here, it's better I think. Okay, here we have one diagram. Here elevation, mention elevation, and x axis is length. During of this pipeline we have a lot of points. Here you can see low point, highest point, drain point, and pump station and reservoir. And if you see some number here, this is the recommendation for installation air valve, but any type of the air valve used in this pipeline here show by circle, and air release valves has a pink color, and air vacuum valve has a black color, and the last one in downside of this picture is combination air valve. It's half of this color is pink, half of that is black. Now we will discuss and we will more explanation. This is this table show locating air valves along a pipeline. In point 1, pump station, the pump discharges there. In that point, recommended types air vacuum. For point 2, we have combination F3, low point, no valve is there. For point 4, no valve also. For 5.5, air vacuum or combination. Here, if we come back to previous picture, here you can see this is number 2. Number 2 is air release valve. We need to install. This is as per standard and engineering manual recommendation. They are saying we need to install this type of a valve. And here, if you see in point 5, we need to put and install air vacuum valve. All of these points has a reason. I explain one of them in 5, for example, 5. Why we use air vacuum valve. Here, yes, sorry, in pipe 5, point of 5, here we need to install air vacuum valve. Why? Because here we have slope. If for example we do drain, all of this water inside the pipeline, it will be drained from this point, and here vacuum it will be created, and then it can damage pipeline immediately, and it will be collapse. It will be happened. This is the one important thing. That's why we need to put vacuum valve. Also, we can here this point we can put combination air valve, but it is the expensive. That's why we can use air valve only. You can see other point. For example, 14, number 14. Number 14, as per recommendation of the standard, they are saying you need to put air release valve in this point because it's highest point. In highest point, we need to put and install one air release valve. Okay. AWWA air valve manual recommends air valves at the following points along a pipeline. High points, combination air valve. To all of that points I explained about that. Here explain more explain about all of these points, which type the air valve. Here there is another example. Here you can see in y x is elevation as per unit meter, and in x is distance and unit is meter. And for a start point, we need to put air vacuum valve in this point, and increasing slope, here combination, we need to put combination, and here you can see in highest point we put combination, and also in last point we have one descending slope, air vacuum or combination air valve we can install. Okay, here all explanation. Okay, this chapter also finished in this point, and there is one reference. If you want to get more information, you can go to this reference, and then you can get more information about that. Thank you for watching this another video for air valve. I hope you continue with me in another chapter. We have 6 chapter for air valve. I think there is no any um, uh, course training video about air valve like this. I am sharing my knowledge with you. Uh, you know, I have more than 25 years experience. I am mechanical engineer, lead mechanical engineer, and uh, I had a very good experience in a lot of project pipeline, water transmission pipeline, and now I want to share all of this my experience, knowledge, and information about valve with you guys. I hope you enjoy uh, about this subject, and you follow me in next videos. Thank you very much.